Hi guys, this is Sri from Textros. Today I will show you how to jailbreak iPhone. So all you need to check which iOS version. So this iOS version is like a 16.7 phone, so you can jailbreak this with Windr. So you have to download Windr 1. So I have downloaded the Windr. So you have to open the application Windr 2.1. So click on yes. So after that you can see this window. So like there are so many jailbreaks like rootless, rootful, custom, forced revert. Okay, so you're going to do a rootful jailbreak. Okay, so before that you have to check your drivers, or the drivers are working properly. So the drivers are working properly. For first you need to do rootful plus create fake FES. Okay, so it will make sure there is more than 16 GB of available storage, and after rootful mode is incompatible with iOS 17, any errors during reboot, please perform forced revert first. Okay, so I'm going to do next. Okay, so it will enter into the recovery mode. So you can see it's gone to the recovery mode. So here it shows click start, press and hold down side button and volume down. Okay, and third is release the side button but keep holding the volume button. So all you need to do is start and release the power button, hold the volume down. So you can see the rootful load driver. So right now you can see the jailbreak is installing. So it will take like some more minutes, like 5 to 10. So right now it's going to finish. Okay. So you need to do again rootful, unselect the create fake FS. So click next and OK. So it will enter into the recovery mode. So you need to click on start. Okay, hold the volume down. So you can see the rootful is loading again. So this will install the Ballerine app in the device. All you need to do is wait for some more minutes until it gets finished. Okay, so just open the device. So you can see the Palrin app. So click on the device information, you can see it's rootful. So this is the way you can jailbreak your device, guys. So you can install the silo. So this is a way you can jailbreak your device, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Hope this will help you to install the jailbreak. So hit like and subscribe. Have a happy weekend, guys.